Do you want to be able to fix something went wrong in ChatGPT? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end, so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So actually, for this to work, I'm going to use my mobile browser instead of my computer, because I've actually seen that this actually can fix itself on the mobile much easier than on the computer, just so you know. So if you're getting this error right now, then what you need to do is to basically just swipe up on your mobile so that you get to this page right here. And what I'm going to do now is just click on the airplane mode in here, and I'm just going to wait like 5 seconds, and then I'm going to disable the airplane mode and basically go back and try again. If it still does not work, then just swipe up again and then click on the Wi-Fi symbol in here, because then you should be able to actually be disconnected from your Wi-Fi. Now go back and try again, but on your mobile data instead, and see if that will actually solve this issue. If it still does not work, well, unfortunately sometimes when there's a lot of people using ChatGPT at the same time, that error message can also be found in that case, just so you know. So you basically need to wait a couple of minutes and then try again, and hopefully after that it will be solved for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.